Today I'm going to show you how to use the teleprompter feature in VEED. Ladies and gentlemen, the teleprompter feature is actually quite awesome. So whether you're in a project or you're on your home page over here, you'll see the record button right at the top. So go ahead, hit that record button, and here you will be able to use your camera. You can just do audio, you can do your screen recording, or you can do your screen and camera. Now, depending on what it is exactly that you'd like to do, so for example, we just want to use audio, you'll come down over here and you'll see a bunch of options. This will include showing your camera, muting your microphone, sharing your screen, changing your screen resolution or size, adding a background, some prompter, and then some settings. Okay, now what we're looking for is the prompter. And quite simply, there's two options. Either you can type your text in here, or you can go ahead and use this button and you can ask VEED's built-in AI to write you a script. You can choose the tone from professional, funny, informative, or creative. And then you can hit send. And guess what? You will literally have a script. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. And you'll have some options. So this one over here, if you click down, it'll allow you to change your speed. Okay, so for example, let's just make it slightly slower. This will, if you click on this, it'll open it in a new window. And let's just open that again. And here, you'll be able to change the text size, and we can change a bit of rotation and opacity. So essentially what you do is you will push play and you will now read your script. So on and so on and so on. Let's say that you would like to just stop it there. You can pause it immediately. It'll stop immediately. And the rewind and the fast forward will just make it go slightly faster than the current play speed. All right, there we go. Now you got the teleprompter in VEED.